Hello, boys and girls. I am Random Josh. Today I will be reading Beachy and Me by Bob Staake.
This island's very tiny.
Cried Pixie Pickle Spear.
No wonder I'm so lonely. I'm the only kid who's here.
Cooped up inside a dinky house. Well, what could Pixie do? She was bored with every board game and her jigsaw puzzles too. Bored, bored, bored. Something big had come ashore. It seemed to have a tail. Pixie was now staring at
a giant washed-up whale!
Oh dear, this must look rather odd. Quite anything but peachy. Apparently, I've washed ashore. Hello, my name is Beachy. Just get me to the ocean, kid. That's where I need to be. And then I'll show you many games that we can play at sea.
I can help you.
Pixie cried, but his skin bounced back like rubber. She pushed the whale, she heaved and shoved, he just had too much blubber.
Oh look, the tide is coming in. It's time to catch our ride. I'll be your true blue friend and then your ocean playtime guide.
Pixie made a big splash that soaked the rocks with foam. The sloshy wave washed Beachy free. At last the whale was home. Beachy taught her how to breach and ride tsunami waves. Pixie learned to hold her breath and swim through hidden caves. They splished and splashed all summer long. They made that ocean bubble. They flipped and flopped and bobbed like corks, a wet and wild odd couple. But then, Beachy listened to his heart. It told him, "Time to sail." He had to migrate once a year to be with other whales.
Don't worry, Pixie, Beachy said. We'll soon be back at play. I'll always be your true blue friend, and I'll return one day.
Pixie moped around the house. She missed her giant friend. The smiles they'd shared, the laughs, the fun. Oh, why'd it have to end?
Mope, mope, mope.
Pixie grabbed her lighthouse beam. She shined it through the black. She cast it on a wave and saw the Beachy had come back.
I kept my promise, Pixie. I'm back to play with you. And now we'll meet here every year, like old friends often do.
The end. Thank you very much for following along. If you like this and other read-alongs, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thanks and have a beachy day.